look like a high school student because my high school was all uniforms, and this is kind of one of the looks that I'd rock back in the day, but instead of maroon, it was a navy color. Anyways, hello, welcome back. I hope you guys are doing well and staying safe. I thought today I'd do a home decor thrift haul. I haven't been home decor thrift shopping in a while. I think the last time was when I went to Guelph at the flea market. I finally hit the jackpot. I got some good stuff, and I went to a new location. I went to Milton because I wanted to branch off, and I went to the Salvation Army thrift store at the Milton location. Really good, spot on. They got a lot of good home decor in my opinion. They got like a really great big section, and they also got some cute clothes. I am doing a giveaway with them. If you guys want a chance to win a $20 gift certificate, I will leave the giveaway details in my description and also in the comments, and I'm gonna be choosing the winner next week. Okay, I'm gonna bring this box over here just because like it's a lot of stuff. I'm gonna start off with this little guy. These ones are for $1.99 each. They're actually really great, and I can't believe I found two of this exact same ones. That's always like the best thing ever whenever you're thrifting and you see multiple pieces of the same home decor. And with these are just like fake plants, fake little cute succulents, and I just kind of feel like this would be really nice just to add around my room and put this in my washroom. Oops. It just adds a little bit of fake greenery and I don't have to like worry about these. These are gonna last me for a very long time. You guys might not have remembered, in one of my thrift trips, maybe I would say last year or the year before that, I thrifted a candle holder, and it was a beautiful white floral candle holder. And what happened was I knocked it over and it fell and it broke. So unfortunately it did not survive. So when I stumbled upon this, I was like, oh yeah, this definitely reminded me of the candle holder that I thrifted last time, and I was just really happy to have picked this piece out. Next thing that I also broke one time in my room, I had this white little mini vase and with like a golden rim, and it was like the prettiest thing ever. I'm so sad because I also thrifted that maybe like 2 years ago, and I knocked it over because I think I had it on this table and I just like quickly grabbed one of the jackets, and then it just like fell and it broke, and I was sad. I couldn't find a dupe for that, but I still have a replacement. I'm gonna use this glass decanter and I'm gonna use it as a vase. The next thing that I grabbed, so I stumbled upon this. It's like a stained glass picture thing of this cute cat. This would be actually really cool to paint over this like on gouache and maybe do some sort of a DIY. I really love like the shape of it, and it's like the size of my hand. It's so small, and I just feel like this would be really great to just like hang up just somewhere around my room. Next thing, this is more of a craft thing, but I found these bags of fake rose petals, and I immediately was just really drawn towards them because I love the color of the petal. It's like a gradient beige to pink, and I actually have this hanging tree branch that my friend actually DIY'd for me, and I have these fake faux like flowers hanging out of them. So I thought it would be fun to change those flowers because those flowers are orange, and I wanted to kind of go for like more of a neutral pinky kind of tone, and just something more like sweet and romantic, adding some more of those colors into my room. So I just thought this would be a fun DIY, fun little experiment to change it up. I came across this. When I walked in, this was like the first thing that I saw. It's like this really cool chest case. I just like that it had the world map around it, and also I just love how it looks very like rustic and very vintage. I wish it was like on a larger scale because that would be really cool to like stack up and put things on top. So I'm either gonna keep this for myself or I might give it to my boyfriend, and yes, I have a boyfriend. Yeah, I mean, it's so weird for me to say like I have a boyfriend, but yeah, I have a boyfriend. Obviously, I haven't really shown that side of my personal life. So yeah, I don't know, who knows, maybe he'll make an appearance, we'll see. But yeah, I feel like this is kind of his style. If he doesn't want it, I'm gonna keep it for myself. But super cute and tiny. I just feel like this time around I kind of want to just like keep things low-key. I just feel like I put so much of my personal life out there last time, and I think like this time around I just want to keep things a little private, if that makes sense. But yeah, very much happy, very much in love, and we'll keep it at that. Oh, actually I want to show you this. This is heavy, but this is really cute. It's just so beautiful and ethereal, and I could not pass this up. I love the details on this. It's such a simple piece, but I love like the jewels on here, and it's like sparkly and shiny, and it kind of has like this slight sheen, like marble finish to it. It is super heavy. And this is how the inside looks like. Obviously there's just some like sticker residue from this. Oh my god, I do not want to break anything. Okay, I'm so sorry if you guys are watching this wearing headphones or earphones. I got some plates because I just saw these and I was like, huh, I think I could have some good use to it. These are just little mini plates. I like that there's like dark speckles on here, just little spots. They're 99 cents each, and they're all in really good condition, really great quality too. I've been really into cottagecore like aesthetic and just cottagecore themed things, even cottagecore inspired photos and art, and it's just so beautiful because especially at a time like this when your only way to escape is just to like look at movies and pictures and, you know, art. I just feel like cottagecore is that dream vision of mine to just live in the fields, you know, just to kind of like prance around in a white dress and just be surrounded by flowers and just doing the whole like slow living thing. For me, I personally need like a balance of city life and nature, but I really love just cottagecore aesthetic, and I saw these two teacup sets that I just thought reminded me of it and was just so cute. I want to collect just random teacup sets. I feel like that would be really fun, and like different funky looking ones. In my future place, whenever I have guests over, we can have just like mismatching teacup sets. It'd be really cute, and I feel like they will tell a story, you know? They're $3.99 each, which is actually a really great steal. This is so cute with like the houses, and then it also came with this dish. I also have this rose one, and it's just so simple and pretty. Yeah, I'm possibly thinking of moving back to Toronto. You know, I'm just kind of like getting ready for that. Nothing is set in stone, obviously, because COVID, and yeah, just a lot of things are up in the air. But yeah, I think that's... Oh no, I have one more thing. I carried this around to my car. It was a very heavy thing to carry around, but it was worth it, and it will not fit in this frame because it is a gigantic laundry basket. So I just got this for my parents' washroom. We have a broken laundry basket and it's not fixable. I would say it's like maybe 10 or 7+ years old. It's really old and like dirty a bit, and I just saw this when I was about to actually go to the checkout. I saw this along the way and I swooped it immediately because I actually like the simplicity of this laundry basket, and I like the wicker kind of feel. Just feel like finally it is time to upgrade to a brand new laundry basket. I believe this one was for $11.99 at Salvation Army thrift store, and yeah, that is pretty much everything that I got from this home decor. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys are doing safe and well. Please take care of your mental health and your well-being. That's so important, especially at a time like this. I know a lot of us is still either going back into lockdown, coming out of it. I feel like this COVID has hit differently for everybody, but yes, I hope you guys are taking care of yourself and staying well, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Have an awesome one. Take care. Bye.